Right, when you're dismantling a PlayStation, one of the PlayStation 4 original one, you might come across with a little clip like this, and you'd probably be left wondering where this clip goes. It's a bit of annoying why Sony does what they do, but just like leaving a little booby trap basically. So this clip is to actually hold this long screw for your power supply. So that's the power supply. Okay, there. When you put the power supply, I'll come back to where it goes. I'll show you where it goes. So that's your power supply. Turn it like this. It goes in there. This screw actually goes into the aluminium. You can see right underneath here. This side, it doesn't have an aluminium fitting. Okay, so where does that go? That screw, that one here. Okay, that goes on this hole, and the way that gets fitted is through that bracket what I've just shown you before. So effectively what that means is this bracket actually goes here. There. So that's the PlayStation overview, full picture of the image of the PlayStation, and this is where this daft screw goes in. And then to secure this so that it doesn't drop out when you tilt it, is to put this cover back on. That's all. So if you're looking for a clip that's come out and you don't know where the hell it is, this is where it's located. And thank you for Sony for making things a little bit or creating a bit of a troll basically. Okay, that's all. Take care. Bye for now.